Uploading videos here on YouTube without getting views is so tiring. I will not even lie, honestly. It is so tiring, it is so discouraging. Sometimes you feel like I don't want to do this again. Sometimes you feel as if the algorithm hates you, that they don't like you. No, it is not like that. It is what you know how to do on YouTube here that will make the algorithm push your videos to your own kind of people. Do you understand? I was once in your shoe and I'm still in your shoe because right now I'm not even getting views on my channel like that. Do you understand? And sometimes you wonder, is YouTube is content creation for me? Go, am I on the right path of destiny? Like getting low views will make you think so many things, but my dear, you are not alone. Okay. Now, to get views here on YouTube is not by luck, okay? It is what you know how to do that will make the algorithm push your videos to the right kind of people. I know it is not just what you know how to do, but you have to pray as well to go to push out your content to the right people. You, if you know, you know. Now, in this video, I'm going to be sharing with you 5 settings, okay, that I implemented on this my channel before my video got 30 something thousand views on this my channel that you're watching me. When I first started my channel, I was just posting randomly, but I came across some videos on how to set up your channel and I did so. I kept posting even without views, with low views, I kept posting, and one day I just woke up and saw a huge number of views on my channel, and that video kept going. I saw 10, before you know 20, before you know 30. Currently that video is on 32,000 views right now. Do you understand? I've gotten views of 11 um 3K, 4K on this my channel. So it's normal. All you need to do is to set up these places I'm about to share with you and keep uploading your videos will do well. Okay, so if this is the first time I'm seeing my beautiful face, don't forget to like, comment and share. Over here we share updates on how to grow your YouTube channel. I also tell you mistakes that you want to avoid to keep your channel safe here on YouTube so that you can get monetized and start making money here on YouTube. So if these are the content you like to watch, don't forget to like, comment and share this video so that YouTube can push it out to a wider audience. So I'm going to be taking you through a screen recorded video. You know that this channel screen recorded video is what we do here. All right, because I don't have another phone to be doing other sherere. So I'm going to be taking you through a screen recorded video and share with you how to go about these settings. All right. The first thing you need to do is to come to your Chrome browser. Come to your Chrome browser and type studio.youtube.com. Now once you click on send it directly here, go ahead and click on continue to studio. Now, once you're on your YouTube Studio dashboard, go ahead and click on settings. Okay, go ahead and click on these settings here. Now, once you click on settings, they're going to bring you down here. Okay, so once you are here, go ahead and click on channel. Okay, once you click on channel, you see this place where they wrote country of residence. Please go ahead and put Nigeria. If you're in Nigeria, please go ahead and put any country that you are in. The reason is because I know that some people will be tempted to put US because they heard that US audiences to pay more than Nigerian or African, countries. Yes, that is true. But you would want to put Nigeria because in the process of filling in your monetization stuff details, you are going to get in trouble. Do you understand? Going to put in your tax information and everything that you need. So it is better for you to stay safe than for you to put a country that you are not in, because you are still going to put in your country of residence and they will need your tax identification number. So it's a situation whereby you don't have US tax identification number and you go ahead and put Nigeria, it might no put your channel in trouble. So you go ahead and put any country that you are in. If you're in US, go ahead and put US. If you're in Nigeria, go ahead and put Nigeria. If you're in Ghana, go ahead and put Ghana to be safe here on YouTube. All right, now the next setting I will show you is your keywords. Now these keywords play a very very important role when it comes to YouTube suggesting your video to your own kind of audience. Do you understand? Now, if you go to YouTube Studio after uploading a video, you see that YouTube is recommending your content to the wrong people. There was this video I uploaded and I saw that YouTube is recommending my video to people that love to watch Nigerian movies, whereas that is not what I'm doing. Do you understand? So I quickly came to my keywords space and then I put in keywords that matches my kind of audience. Do you understand? Like for me, I am doing YouTube growth. So if even if you don't know how to put in the right keyword, just go to ChatGPT and then tell ChatGPT what you are doing. If you are maybe doing cooking content, just tell ChatGPT that you are into cooking niche, that it should give you good keywords for your YouTube channel. And trust me, ChatGPT will give you good keywords that will make the algorithm push your videos to the right audience. You understand? Now, the reason why some people aren't getting views is because YouTube is pushing their videos to the wrong audience. You understand? Just imagine maybe you love to watch AI content, and then as you are watching, YouTube will still push out more AI content, more AI videos, more as you are watching, the more it will pump out. Have you seen a situation like that? That is the work of this place. Okay, so you need to put in the keywords there so that you to be able to understand your kind of content and the people that would love to, view your videos. But then, even if your videos are not getting views for the meantime, don't worry, don't panic. Provided this place I'm about to show you or have shown you is in check, you've set up all these places, don't worry, keep on uploading your content, your videos will eventually do well or pick up. Do you understand? So once you are done, another important place is also your advanced set and your feature eligibility. Okay, now once you click on advanced settings, you are going to see this interface like this, where they will ask you your videos, are they meant for kids or they are not meant for kids. Now the first one say yes, set this channel as made for kids. I mostly upload content, blah blah blah. The second one says no, set this channel as not made for kids. Now, if your videos are meant for kids, go ahead and click on the first option that says yes, set this channel as made for kids. But if your channel is not for kids, go ahead and click on no, set this channel as not made for kids. Now, the reason why YouTube is putting these things because is to protect the minors or the children. Do you understand? There are some contents that are made for children. So if you go and set your channel as made for kids, YouTube is going to push out your channel to children that are watching cartoon, and you wouldn't want that. Do you understand? So if your channel is not for kids, go ahead and click on no, it's not made for kids, or yes, it's meant for kids. Whichever one your channel falls into, just click on it. Okay, if you're doing adult content, click no, it's not meant for kids. If you're doing kids content, yes, it's meant for kids. Do you understand? Then other option says that I want to review these settings for every video. Now if you have the time to be reviewing the settings, you can go ahead and click on this one. But for me, I just my because I know that my content are not for kids, I'll just go ahead and click on no, it's not meant for kids. They should not show my content, it should be there permanently, except in the future I would like to change you know my niche. That is when I will come back here and change it to whichever one that I would want to. Do you get? Now after this setting, you go over to feature eligibility, you click on it. Now once you click on it, now you are going to see at standard features, intermediate features, advanced features. All right, so now you are going to enable these things here. Now if you click on these intermediate features, you have to put in, there are some requirements here. Now these requirements are to verify your phone number. Do you understand? This is very very important to YouTube. If you don't verify your phone number, YouTube will see you as a bot. Do you understand? So go ahead and verify your phone number so as to make the YouTube algorithm trust you and trust your videos that you're uploading before YouTube will start pushing your content to your own kind of audience. Okay, so if you have not verified your phone number, go ahead and verify your phone number. And I've also made the video. If you can check this video here, check it and watch this video. I recommend that you use MTN phone number because MTN phone number works best when it comes to YouTube phone number verification. So go ahead and use an MTN line to verify your phone number. Okay, and immediately you click on it, you see verify through SMS or I always choose verify through SMS because immediately you click on the SMS, they are going to send you a verification code. Then you go ahead and use the code to verify your channel. Okay, now the next one says advanced features. Okay, if you click on these advanced features, now you are going to see things like this, how to verify yourself. Now there are three ways of verifying yourself here. You can verify yourself through video, valid ID card, channel history. Now video verification is the most simplest one here, because you just click on the video verification and they will take you to an interface where you need to turn your head left, right, center, whichever way they ask you to turn it, just turn, and then your videos will be verified within 2 or 3 days. All right, so that is the most simplest one. Then you can verify through valid ID card. Then you can verify through channel history. Now this channel history has to do with you uploading videos, going live, and the rest of them before they will be able to trust you to, take your videos out. You understand? You have to keep uploading videos to tell the algorithm that yes, you are human, and the rest of them, before they'll be able to verify this place. But the best option that you can go with is video verification. Go with video verification because it's very, very simple. You are going to verify your channel. So now the next place you want to go to also is your upload default. All right, now click on your upload defaults. Once you click on your upload default, you are going to see places like basic info. You are going to see title, descriptions. Okay, so once you turn on this place, now this place will enable you to set in your description, your titles, hard tags, and the rest of them. Okay, so now let's click on advanced settings. Okay, now once you click on advanced settings, now you're going to see automatic chapters. Now this is where YouTube helps you to put in automatic chapters if these places are turned on. Do you understand? So you are going to click on check and turn it on, so that anytime you post a video, YouTube is going to turn on automatic chapters. You can also manually input chapters on your videos, but if these places are turned on, YouTube is going to automatically turn on chapters for you on your videos. All right, and then also you can also add title, descriptions, comments. You can turn on or turn off comments anytime you want to upload a video. So all these places are very, 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 very important. You can select the language of the video for the clarification of the audience. Do you understand? So that is how it is. Okay, so now this place, if you come over to this side, you have your category. You have to set your category as well. For me, I'm doing tutorials, so how to do things. It's basically how to, do you understand? So you have to go ahead and check in whichever one your channels falls into. Okay, if you click on it now, you're going to see different one, as you can see. So anywhere your channel falls, if you're in entertainment niche, or comedy niche, gaming niche, news and politics, people and blogs, anyone that your channel falls into, just go ahead and click on it. But for me, it's how to. So if you're in travel, anyone that you're in, just click on it and then put it here, so that YouTube will understand the kind of videos that you do, so that YouTube can recommend it to your own kind of audience. All right, so these places too are very, 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 very important. All right, so the next thing you want to still check is to click on this place. Now once you click on it, you're going to see your channel banner. For me, I've not added my channel banner, and it's very, very bad. For your channel to look professional, you have to add in your channel banner, what your channel is all about, so that if anybody comes to your channel, they'll be able to know the kind of content you create, and also to build trust generally. Do you understand? So that they can trust your kind of content. You've already told them the kind of content that you are creating, so they can easily subscribe and stay there and wait for any video that you would upload now or in the future. Do you understand? So go ahead and input your channel banner. If you don't know how to do, just go to Canva, type YouTube channel banner, and it will pop out. Then just write in whatever you want, then it will just give you the exact size for YouTube banner. So you do understand? So just come back and input the banner here. That's just all. Create a very good banner and put it on your channel. Do you understand? If you come down, you can see how your links, to subscribe. I've done this video on how to how to subscribe to your channel. You can check my channel for the video. You understand? So that is basically how to set up your channel for more views. So if all these things are being set up on your channel, no fear, don't worry yourself. All you need to do is to keep uploading videos. Do you understand? Keep uploading video, provided the videos are value packed. People will come and watch your video. YouTube will pick your videos out one day. Okay guys, so we've come to the end of this video. Hope this video was helpful. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel for more. So for now, bye.